Get ready for the launch of the Oukitel WP33 Pro, a rugged smartphone that redefines durability and performance. With its launch set for January 2024, the WP33 Pro is not just another rugged phone. It's a technological marvel. Firstly, experience unparalleled sound quality. With the WP33 Pro's 136 decibels multimedia speakers, boasting a powerful 5 output, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or enjoying outdoor gatherings, the 8D surround sound experience will immerse you in crisp, clear audio. Power is no issue for the WP33 Pro. It comes equipped with a massive 22,000 mAh battery, ensuring 80 hours of continuous music playback or a week of regular use on a single charge. Plus, with 33 fast charging and 18 fast reverse charging, you can power up your devices effortlessly. At its core, the WP33 Pro features the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5 processor, complemented by 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. The 6.6F HD Plus IPS display offers a smooth visual experience with a 60Hz refresh rate for 500 nits brightness and for 100 ppi pixel density. Capture life's moments with a 6.4MP Sony NX686 main camera, a 20MP NX350 night vision camera, and a 32MP NX616 front shooter. Durability is paramount. The WP33 Pro meets IP68, IP69K, and MILSTD810H standards, ensuring resistance to water, dust, and shock. The Corning Gorilla Glass screen adds an extra layer of protection. Excited? The Oukitel WP33 Pro will be available on January 13th at the Oukitel official store for $299.99 after a 25% discount. Don't miss out on this rugged, feature-packed smartphone.